Hello and welcome to the Nerd Cave Remote Technical Support video channel. Today I'm going to show you how to access the built-in emojis on Windows 10 and Apple OS 10. Earlier I was doing some research for a little program I was writing and I wanted to use emojis that are built into the system rather than having to create my own icons. And while doing this I stumbled across a little feature that's built into Windows 10. And you can also do this on a Mac, so I'm going to show you how to do that at the end of the video. In any application that you have open, for example, let's open my Office program. I'm in LibreOffice Writer, and let's just say I'm typing along, and I want to insert an emoji. In Windows, if you hold down the Windows button, which is located on the bottom of your keyboard, there's usually one at least on the left-hand side at the bottom. There's also one on the opposite side of the space bar. But you hold that button down and then press the period. You'll get an emoji menu. And if I click one of these, it'll come up inside my word processor or whatever text editor I have open. Let's try another editor. Let's see, sticky notes. And Windows period. And let's drop in some other stuff. Sunglasses and a camera and a balloon. So that's a quick way you can insert emojis into whatever you happen to be working with. On a Mac, if you want to do this, let's try opening a browser, Safari. And you have to use the Command, Control, and Space key. The Command key is located on either side of the keyboard, and this is what it looks like. If you have a Windows keyboard on a Mac, then the Windows key will actually double as the Command key. So if I'm in the search bar up here and I do Command, Control, Space, it'll give me an emoji window, very similar to the one in Windows 10. And I can enter any emojis. We can search for them. Command, Control, Space, and I'll do a search for a pumpkin. And there we go. And just as another test, we're going to go to Applications, down to Text Editor, and Command, Control, Space, and we'll drop in a soccer ball. There. So I can use those there. And I believe you can also use them in sticky pads. Go down to the bottom, Command, Control, Space, insert a Christmas tree. There we go. So those are easy ways you can access emojis in Windows 10 and Mac OS 10. That's it for this video. Give it a thumbs up if it helped you out. Click subscribe if you want to see more. Also make sure you check out the website www.the-nerdcave.com and tell your friends about me. I'd love to hear from them. Thanks for watching and have a great day.